Hey Mike, it's been a while since we've done a smoke alarm video that we've released on our social media platforms, and with the upcoming Test Your Smoke Alarm Day, I'd like you to work on and create a new smoke alarm awareness video, but please make sure it is concise and to the point. I don't want some vague thing like the medication and pharmaceutical commercials you see on TV where you don't even know what the medication is about, and it's filming people doing activities that have nothing to do with the medication. So can you do that for me, please?
Ridiculous pharmaceutical commercial.
I really hate when you make that face.
I was worried that I might not have time to escape a fire in my home due to the lack of early warning devices. That's when my fire department told me about smoke alarms. They told me that the unique design of a smoke alarm allows it to notify occupants before it's too late. They even said that smoke alarms are clinically proven to increase the likelihood of escaping a home fire safely.
Smoke alarms are for everyone and should be installed in accordance with manufacturer's instructions. They should be installed on every level of the home and outside of all sleeping areas. Be sure to dispose of smoke alarms once they are expired and replace them with new alarms immediately to ensure uninterrupted protection. Side effects of installing smoke alarms include compliance with fire code requirements, increased likelihood of escaping a fire, decreased likelihood of injury or death due to fire, and general feelings of satisfaction in knowing you and your family are safe. Contact your fire department immediately if you have any questions about smoke alarms.
Fire can happen when you least expect it. That's why I installed smoke alarms.
I literally don't know what to say.
Welland Fire and Emergency Services reminds you that September 28th is Test Your Smoke Alarm Day in the province of Ontario. So get ready to test those alarms and make sure your family is safe. Remember, only working smoke alarms can save lives.